Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add freckles to your skin in a photo using the FaceApp. So here, I'm going to just start by opening the FaceApp. Then you can just select the photo that you want to edit. And to add freckles, you can just go to skin options at the bottom. And in here you'll find freckles, so just click on that, and here you can choose between number 1 to 5. 1 is only a little freckles, while 5 you can have this many freckles, so you can just choose which one that you think fits your skin the best. Okay, so this is the before and here is the after. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Thank you.